In this video, we are going to build out a bundle in our products and services. So we said before about bundles that in order to build a bundle, you have to have all of your products and services built out that are going to be included in that bundle. So we're going to head over to products and services now, and we're going to build out our gift baskets. A couple of different ways you can get there. You can go to add products and services. You can go up to the gear icon and go to products and services, and it's all going to take you to the same place. So once we're here in products and services, we're going to go to new, and we want to build a bundle. And the name of this bundle is going to be Emotional Support Dinosaur Welcome Basket. And if we want this to appear on our invoice, we're going to have it say Emotional Support Dinosaur Welcome Basket. Now, if we want our invoice to show all of the different things that are in this bundle, so we don't need all of this stuff to show up on the invoice, we're just going to leave that unchecked. And now here we're going to start to add the things that we want to have in our welcome basket. So we can choose anything from our list. And let's say we're going to have some dinosaur shampoo, and we're going to have some dinosaur skin conditioner, and we want to have some treats, and maybe we want some dinosaur kibble. So there is our bundle, and we're going to save and close. So now we can come down here in our sales and product lists, and we can see this ESD welcome basket. And you can see here that it doesn't have a sales price attached to it. Now let's jump over to our invoicing side of things. So we're going to go to invoices, and we're going to create an invoice. And our customer is going to be Fred Flintstone, because Fred, he needs an emotional support dinosaur like nobody's business. I mean, working in that stone place all day with that cranky boss, I mean, come on. So again, you would put in all of the information that you have about Fred, and the product or service that we are going to sell to him is the ESD welcome basket. And you can see that QuickBooks is automatically applying the price based on those different parts of the bundle. Now, if I want to change any of those amounts, I can go into the individual amounts, or if I want to give him a discount, I can come down here to our discount and either give him a dollar off amount or a % off amount. So we're going to give this to him for a 10% discount, and we're going to give him free shipping because we're nice like that. So rather than paying $445 for this welcome basket, he's going to pay $400.50. So bundles allow us to very quickly put a bunch of things together and sell them as one unit to our customer. So we're going to say save and close. That's it. That's bundles. In our next video, we're going to talk about a special type of invoicing called progress invoicing. So stay tuned.